Hi, and welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you how to use the Cloud File Viewer Chrome extension. This extension allows you to preview files in your Google Cloud Storage directly from your browser, without having to download them first. First, let's navigate to your Google Cloud Storage. You can easily do this by clicking on the Cloud File Viewer icon in your browser's toolbar. Don't forget to connect to your Google Platform account if you haven't already. Once you're in your Google Cloud Storage, browse your files and find the one you want to preview. As you can see, an icon appears beside each file you can preview. Click on the icon of the file you want to preview and a modal window will pop up. This modal will display the content of the file with its name on top. To preview another file or perform another action in Google Cloud Storage, simply close the modal window. When uploading a file, it's automatically detected by the extension and the icon to preview the file appears. If the file name is too long, it's shortened. Sometimes, you may need to click the refresh button in Google Cloud Storage for the file to appear. You can also tweak the settings of the Cloud File Viewer. For example, you can change the maximum data size to download in kilobytes and remove double quotes from CSV files. The Cloud File Viewer supports several file types, such as text CSV, application octet stream, application JSON, and text plain. As you can see, when previewing another file type like a JSON file, it is well formatted and easy to read. And that's it. With the Cloud File Viewer, you can quickly and easily preview your Google Cloud Storage files without having to download them first. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.